AssistAR is the most accurate and advanced augmented reality solution for assembly lines, enhancing both productivity and quality. AssistAR uses a standard off-the-shelf LiDAR camera with patented algorithms for AR that works on any object and surface. AssistAR supports many use cases, including AR work instructions, automatic assembly validation, maintenance, training, remote assistance, and execution reports. It automatically extracts the 3D models and work instructions directly from the manufacturing systems, saving time, errors, and costs in preparing and maintaining them. AssistAR enables validation of each assembly step, identifies mistakes during the assembly process, and ensures built as designed. AssistAR's proprietary algorithms align the virtual world, digital twin, to the real world, physical twin, and validate each assembly step by comparing the actual assembly to the planned 3D assembly while marking the deviations on screen. All this is done without the need for system training, making it a generic, easy-to-use, scalable solution. AssistAR can also be used to remotely assist frontline workers with accurate real-time AR guidance, anytime, from anywhere. SkillReal AR also provides live maintenance work instructions derived from the service system. SkillReal AR does not mandate AR glasses and allows hands-free, heads-free operation for best usability and safety. We support AR glasses for working conditions where screens are not feasible or desired. The system tracks each assembly step, including recording AR screenshots to provide visual execution and quality reports. AssistAR enhances productivity, improves quality, and enables remote support, monitoring, and control.